First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
This morning, as you get your Monday and your work week started, no weather worries. In fact, everything is dry, but we are seeing some high clouds moving in ahead of the next system that is going to have an impact on our weather over the coming days, and certainly by the end of the week, you're going to know something has changed big time around here. Right now, we're quiet on First Alert Live Doppler radar, 51 degrees, the current temperature reading here in Bowling Green. And as you head out today, there will be that mix of clouds and sunshine as we check your hometown forecast around the Nolin River Lake area, including Litchfield. You'll see a high of 74. Brownsville, a high of 76. Partly sunny, 75 for Munfordville today. And, of course, our hometown forecast brought to you by the Kentucky Lottery. By the way, the Powerball jackpot estimated to be at $156 million for the Wednesday night drawing. Mega Millions estimated to be at $29 million. Here's a look at current temperatures now. Starting out this morning, mainly in the 50s, although we're seeing a few 40s, 49 Greenville and Madisonville. And then you go all the way down to Albany. There at 60 degrees for current temperature this morning. There is a 47 up in Hardinsburg, but everybody else starting out in the 50s. And a partly cloudy sky over Bowling Green as we go from our Independence Bank weather cam. Looking in front of the Bowling Green Airport this morning. 51 degrees. Some patchy fog was a concern, but there may only be limited areas of patchy fog around the area lakes and rivers. The winds are calm or near calm, humidity 94%. Here is the view from Franklin, our Simpson County weather cam, 55. The current temperature at the Mesonet site there, 52 in Glasgow from the Barron County Mesonet site and the weather cam on the square. And then we head to Russellville in Logan County, 53, your current temperature reading there in Logan County. 48 St. Louis, 45 Indianapolis, much cooler around the Great Lakes this morning. There's a frontal boundary kind of moving right through the area that is south of that is where the warm air is this morning, 50s and 60s as you see, 51 here in Bowling Green, which is 8 degrees cooler than yesterday at this half hour, but you see 10 to 15 degree drops in temperature right around the Great Lakes. East of us, remnant showers from that system that was plaguing parts of the mid-Atlantic last week, and then showers back to the north and west of us. We had a few isolated showers that popped up around here yesterday. Even at the airport, they recorded a trace of rainfall from an isolated shower that passed through there. But for the most part, things are staying pretty quiet here. We will have this warm front. This is the boundary that's keeping the warm air, the muggy air to the south and the cooler air off to the north. But as it passes through today, that's what's going to touch off some of the high and mid-level clouds that we'll be seeing. We should remain rain-free for the next 24 hours. But as we get into the day tomorrow, some Gulf moisture along with this front. This is the front that we've been talking about that will start to touch off some shower chances beginning tomorrow afternoon. The best chance of rain, maybe getting some heavy rain, not severe weather, but heavy rainfall could be tomorrow night and as we get into early Wednesday morning as that front comes sliding right through the area. Between now and then, though, increasing clouds, warm today, 76. Then for tonight, partly cloudy, a little patchy fog, and 58. Tomorrow we'll make it back to 76 with a good 60% chance of showers, mainly tomorrow night. Could even find a few thunderstorms, but again, not expecting any severe weather. And then with the passage of the first of two fronts, we'll see the real first shot of cooler air coming Wednesday. 67 behind the second front on Thursday. A much chillier 59. Sunny 64 Friday and maybe a slight shower chance Saturday, but temperatures will stay in the low to mid 60s through the weekend.
Look at that random 59 on a Thursday.
That's when the second reinforcing shot of colder air comes in, just for a day.
For a moment. And then it will still low 60s.
It'll moderate some after that, but it's still going to stay cool.
Oh, yeah. Well, Thursday.